So good evening, one and all. Myself Mahesh. I'm going to explain about a pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay. First, what is introduction part? Coming to the introduction part, what is linear equation? Okay, in two variables. What is linear equation? What is variables? I'm going to explain now. First, what is a linear equation? What is a linear equation? A linear equation. What is a linear equation? For this solution. Okay, what is a linear equation? Okay. Linear equation means linear equation. Linear equation means if degree of equation, degree of an equation is 1. If degree of an equation is 1. Degree of an equation is 1. Degree of an equation is 1. Okay. The degree of an equation is 1. Then it is called linear equation. It is called a linear equation. It is called linear equation. Okay. Linear equation means if degree of an equation is 1, then it is called linear equation. Okay. Example, x plus 1 is equals to 0, y plus 1 is equals to 0, 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay, this is called as linear degree 1. Degree 1, degree 1. So degree is 1, degree is 1, degree is 1, degree is 1. This is called linear equation. But this linear equation in one variable. Linear equation. Linear equation in one variable. One variable. In one variable means x is one variable, y is also one variable, x is one variable. Here x is only one variable, only one. This is y, one variable. Here it is 1. In equation only one variable is called there. It is called linear equation in one variable. Okay. Now this example, linear equation in two variables. 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 Okay. Linear equation in two variables. For this example, that is 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. Otherwise, 5x plus 4y is equals to 6. Okay, is equals to 6. Or you can write minus 5 is equals to 0. Here minus is in place is there, so minus 5 is equals to 0. So linear equation in two variables means in this equation there are x and y. X and y. So such equations is called as linear equation in two variables. This equation is called as linear equation in one variable. Only x and y is there. Here x, y, x, y. Okay. Two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Our topic is pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair of linear equations two variables means pair of linear equation in two variables means 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equals to 1. 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equals to 0. Okay, these two are called as pair. These two are called as pair. Okay, pair. How they are representing means a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. These are the equations. These two are written like this. This is equals to this, and this equation is compared with this. So this total is called as pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations in two variables, that is LETV. LETV. Pair of linear equation two variables, that is 2x, so a1x, 3y, b1y, 5, c1, 3x, a2x, 4y, b2y, 6, c2 is equals to 0. Okay, I hope you got this. Now by comparing with this, a1 is equals to 2, a2 is equals to 3, b1 is equals to 3, b2 is equals to 4, c1. So by comparing with this, a1 equals to 2, a2 equals to 3, b1 equals to 3, b2 equals to 4, c1 is equals to minus 5, c2 is equals to minus 6. Okay, are you ready? I hope you got this. Okay, next we are moving to next in this we are moving to next one, that is so now this is pair of LETV. This is pair of LETV. Okay, this is pair of LETV. With this we are doing here, first nothing is given, 1x minus 2y is equals to 0, means this is a1. a1 is 1, a1 is 1, a2 is 3 is a2. Okay, b1 is minus 2, b2 is 4, c is 0, c1 is minus 20. Okay, here a is 2, b is 4, here sorry a1, a2. Okay, here a1 is 3, a2 is 6. I'll write here, just wait a minute. Compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Okay, next equation is 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equals 0. Compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Okay, by comparing with this, you are getting here, by comparing with this, a2, a1, b1, c is 0, 0, b2, c2. So a1 is 1, by a2 is 3, b1 is minus 2, b2 is 4, c1 is 0, c2 is minus 20. Next, first question. Second question, 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equals to 0. 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equals to 0. a1 is 2, a2 is 4, b1 is 3, b2 is 6, a1 is 2, a2 is 4, b1 is 3, b2 is 6, c1 is minus 9, c2 is minus 18. Next, third question, x plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equals to 0. So nothing is there. 1. A1 is 1, A2 is 2, B1 is 2, B2 is 4, C1 is minus 4, C2 is minus 12. Okay. Now here ratios and comparison will be there. Ratios and comparisons. Ratios and comparisons. Here there is your what it is. Ratio and comparison means ratios and comparison. Okay, that is big. I will like that. Next one, ratios and comparisons. Comparisons. Compare ratios means, let us see. A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. A1 by A2, 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 4. Sorry, let's cancel 1 by 2. No, not equal. A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. Here, let's see 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, cancel 1, 2. So all are equal. 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2. So A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Okay. Here 1, 2. Minus minus cancel 1, 3. So this is equal. A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, not equals to C1 by C2. So A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, not equals to C1 by C2. Okay, C1 by C2. Okay, C1 by C2. Now let us see here. I am writing. Just I am rubbing this. If it is there, I am writing a board is not sufficient, that's why I am writing here. That is compare ratio, compare ratios. Next, graphical representation, graphical representation, representation, graphical representation, solution, number of solutions, number of solutions, solutions and solution, solution. First condition, A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. Okay, just now we did now for this continuation. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Okay, means the graph goes like that. One line is like this, other line is like this. It goes 2 and meet at one point. Okay, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 means the two lines. The pair of linear equation is given now. So one is this line is like x minus 2y is equals to 0. Okay, this line is 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equals to 0. Okay, if you plot on the graph, by taking x equals 1, 2, 3, we will get the y values. If you plot on the graph, okay, if you plot on the graph, then these A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. The condition will be intersection. These 2 points meet at one point. So graphical representation. Okay, graphical representation Okay, how many solutions are there? Where they intersect. Solution means where that these two lines intersect is called as solution. How many where there how many points they are intersecting? They intersect 1 point. So they are having unique solution. Unique solution means unique means one solution. Unique means in the sense one solution. Okay. Okay. Unique solution. Are you getting representation? And it is called intersection. 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 It's called intersecting lines. Intersecting. They are called as intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay, intersecting lines. And solution is consistent. Solution is consistent. If we get the solution, then they are called as consistent. Okay. Next condition, A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Okay. Next condition. So all are equal. The lines goes like this. One line, and the line same line goes like this. Okay. Okay, now intersecting. So they will meet like this, bread sandwich. Okay. One line is this, and the line same goes on with this. Okay. Same goes like this. Intersection means like this, it is intersecting only at one particular point. Okay. Here the line goes like this. Intersection means one line is this, same other line come and meet with this, like this. Okay. Come and meet with this. So they are having infinity points. So they are attracting to each other. So they are coincide with each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. Here to here they are attracting to each other. Okay. They are coincide with each other. Okay. So like this they are coincide with each other. How many points? Infinite. We cannot say. Like this we are meeting now. We cannot say how many infinite points are there. So infinity points. They are called as coincident lines. Coincident lines. Coincident lines. The points are infinite points. Infinitely many solutions. Many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay. Coincident means coincide. I just have told coincident means like this. They will coincide with each other. Okay. Intersection means one is like this, other is like this. Only they part in one part. Okay. Infinite many solutions. They are getting solutions now. One or many. They are called as consistent. Consistent. They are called as consistent. Okay. They are called as consistent. Next. A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. They are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Okay. Then they are, for this, if they is like this, the condition is the lines are parallel lines. They are parallel lines. They are parallel lines. Example, x plus 2y minus 4 is this line. 2x plus 4y minus 2 equals to this line. So they are parallel lines. They are which lines they are? They are parallel lines. Parallel lines. Okay. They will not coincide. Okay. Parallel lines means what are the parallel lines? They are like this. Okay. if they coincide like this only, they are going to get solutions. When they attract, when they touch each other, then only we are going to get solutions. So they are not touching, they are moving just like this. Okay, no touching. So what are no solutions? No number rado, no solution. No, inward no solutions. No solutions. Okay, solution is not there. It is called as inconsistent. Inconsistent. If solution is not there, no solution is called as inconsistent. Okay, when you are getting solution, they intersect only, you are getting solution. If not, they touch each other only, they are getting solution. If not, they are meeting each other, they are getting solutions. Like here total, but here no, they are moving in a parallel lines. That's why we can't get solution. If no solution, they are called as inconsistent. Okay. Now with this basics of linear equations in two variables completed. Okay, we'll solve problems.